Hey guys, so I got a chance to check out Coventry Homes over the weekend. This was at the Double Eagle Ranch community in Cedar Creek, Texas. And my goodness, this place was beautiful. As soon as you walk in, you have this shock and awe. And that's exactly where they're going for, making you have this walk in and like, wow, this home is so beautiful. Open floor concept. One thing to note was that they are super flexible when it comes to their design and layout of the home. And they are known for not saying no. So what do I mean? Is that if you want to customize your home and change things from maybe taking down a wall and making it a little bit more open or changing the tile in the bathroom, they will work with you. They will listen to you and figure out what your family, what's important in your family, like what rooms do you guys spend a lot of time in, and truly help you customize the home. So when you're living in it, you truly feel like this home was made and created for you. I thought that was so beautiful when they were telling me that. Another thing that was worthy of note was how energy efficient they build their homes, keeping you, the customer, in mind when it comes to your energy cost savings. Not only that, but they are also, they build their homes keeping their carbon footprint in mind. Very friendly to the environment. These homes start north of $700,000, but there's always promotions and incentives currently happening right now. This builder builds all across Austin and its surrounding areas. So if you're looking to buy a new build in either Travis or Williamson County, I got you. Let's go check out one of these homes today, and you'll see for yourself just how beautiful these homes inside and out and how great they will be to work with. Okay, until next time, guys.